Hi, I'm Nia. In this short video, I'll share how we're pioneering the future of farming with smart agriculture and agro-tech innovations at our Tech Hub. Today, we'll explore how smart agriculture and agro-tech are transforming farming practices. In this video, we explore how MODARA Group combines IoT, AI computer vision, and digital twin technology to create smarter farmlands. By capturing real-time data from fields, sensors, and visual systems, we help monitor conditions, detect risks, simulate outcomes, and support faster, more sustainable farming decisions. This critical data is then relayed to advanced communication gateways. These include cloud servers, satellites, and powerful computing systems. The integration of this technology enables streamlined farm management through precise, real-time analytics. Farmers can now make informed decisions that significantly boost productivity. Imagine sensors that predict weather conditions, drones that monitor crop health, and automated systems that deliver the exact amount of water and nutrients needed. Such innovations lead to sustainable farming practices that not only increase yield, but also reduce waste and environmental impact. Smart farming also involves the use of artificial intelligence to analyze data and predict future trends. This helps in managing resources more effectively and in planning crop rotations. Mobile applications are now part of the tech mix, allowing farmers to have control and insights at their fingertips. They can monitor and manage their operations from anywhere. This digital transformation is supported by robust cybersecurity measures to protect data integrity and farm operations from potential threats. Education and training for farmers are key to adopting these technologies. Various programs are designed to ease the transition and maximize the benefits of smart agriculture. As we continue to face global challenges like climate change and population growth, the role of technology in agriculture becomes increasingly crucial. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more updates on how technology is shaping the future of farming. Join us as we continue to cultivate a smarter, more sustainable agricultural landscape.